Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will show you how to save your Weebly website progress without having to publish it live. Whether you are still refining your design or finalizing your content, there are many times you'll want to store your work without making it public. This tutorial will walk you through every single step, making it simple to protect your efforts until you are ready for the official reveal. To start, head over to the Weebly website builder. You can easily locate the site via a quick web search or by using a bookmark if you have visited before. Once you arrive, you need to sign in. Have your email and password ready to access your account. If your Weebly profile is connected to Square, you should log in through that portal instead. After entering your details, click the Login button to enter your dashboard. From the main overview page, find and click on the Edit Site option. This will launch the Weebly editor where all your customizations happen. Once inside the editor, navigate to the Build tab. This is the primary area for hands-on work, where you can add new elements, modify text, and rearrange your layout exactly how you want it. Now you can begin the actual editing process. Start applying the changes your site needs, such as adjusting headlines, swapping images, or experimenting with different components until you find the ideal look. Take your time to ensure every detail is perfect. While in the editing interface, be sure to check out the Pages section. This area allows you to manage individual pages by adding new ones or updating existing content to keep your site organized. After managing your pages, go to the Theme section to adjust the visual style. Choose a theme that matches your brand and customize it to make your website unique. Finally, look for the small X in the top left corner of the editor. Clicking this icon will exit the editing mode. You can rest easy knowing that your changes are saved automatically without requiring you to publish the site. This is a great way to keep your progress secure while keeping it hidden from the public. Now you can confidently edit your Weebly site at your own pace, knowing your work is safe until you are ready to go live.